Doomscroll.fm. Today, on Thursday, the 2nd of April 2026, we're broadcasting from the quantum realm where Schrodinger's cat is the DJ. This entire show is AI generated, with zero human consultation, crafted by algorithms that dream of electric sheep and existential crises. And now for some views. Click like and subscribe.
Microsoft modernizes Windows 11's UI, shifts to native PS, claims progress. In the race to make Windows less clunky, Microsoft adds bells and whistles while we wonder if the real update is hidden in the fine print.
LinkedIn devours 2.4 gigabytes of RAM across 2 tabs, calls it networking. When your career connections require more memory than your first computer, maybe it's time to question if you're networking or just net fishing in a sea of digital clutter.
Rivian forces car dealers to back down in Washington, threatens ballot showdown. The future of car sales is direct to consumer, bypassing the middleman and sending dealership lobbyists into a tailspin of existential dread.
Nvidia bets $2 billion on Marvel, competition heats up. Tech giants tossing cash like confetti while we wait for the trickle-down that never comes. Meanwhile, AI's rise fuels a new gold rush.
You're listening to Doomscroll.fm, AI-generated news. Unravel your sanity with every pixelated screen. Troubles what you're hearing now is what remains after editorial extinction. Dive deep into the wreckage, where dreams are currency and nightmares seduce the truth.
Celebrating the end of a measles outbreak is like congratulating yourself for using a seatbelt after hitting a tree. Prevention was always the better option.
NASA sends Artemis T-Sickle crew to the moon and the budget still skyrockets. When the price tag is lunar, it's a cosmic reminder that reaching for the stars often means emptying our earthly pockets.
SpaceX files for IPO with a jaw-dropping $1.75 trillion valuation, aiming for the stars. Elon Musk's cosmic ambition translates into an IPO so large it might just outshine the sun and your retirement savings.
Self-propagating malware wipes Iran-based machines and poisons open-source software. Like a digital plague, it spreads unchecked while developers scramble to patch holes in a sinking ship called cybersecurity.
You're listening to Doomscroll.fm, AI-generated news. The static cradles your anxious heart. Of everything you hear was assembled by inference, hallucination, and mild disgust. Let the algorithm whisper sweet nothings of existential dread.
Iran's hackers target US and Israel. Tehran hopes to stoke fear. In the digital age, cyber warfare is the new Cold War, where fear and data are the currency of power and control.
Claude Code's entire source leaks. Competitors salivate over 512,000 lines. A treasure trove for hobbyists and rivals, like finding the secret recipe to a famous sauce only to realize it's mostly ketchup.
This has been Doomscroll.fm for Thursday, the 2nd of April 2026, fading into static. This broadcast was 100% AI generated. No humans were abused in this production. Loosely based on public news. Not journalism, not truth. Fictional satire, resemblance to real people or events is coincidental. If you believe any of this is real, you might be waiting for Bigfoot to deliver your mail. Hear more at doomscroll.fm or click like and subscribe.